Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate file quickly on Android phone. Okay, first of all, we can open our file manager or my file on our Android phone. This is my file manager and I'm going to open it. And then we're going to click on manage storage right here. Okay. And since we want to remove the duplicate files, we can select duplicate files. And if you want to remove all your duplicate files on your Android phone, you can click on select all duplicates. Then we can click on delete files right here. And after you click on this delete option, your duplicate files will be deleted from your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete duplicate files quickly on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.